I am back. Finally. Between my truck being broke down for about 2 months and the Arctic, whatever you want to call it, ruining everything, freezing the ponds up, I haven't done any fishing whatsoever for the past 2 months. Hopefully it'll change. But in the meantime, my wife got me a subscription to MTB for Christmas. This is actually my second box. I've already opened it, so I've seen everything. But in case you haven't got yours yet, want to see what's in this one or whatever. I don't know if they're all the same. I have no clue. This is my first time using MTB. But I'm going to make it short, sweet. I'm not going to talk a ton about the lures. I'm basically just going to show you what's in the box. Let's see. Let's try to save the best for last. We have some offset worm hooks. They are 3/0 from a brand called Stickies. I've never heard of them. I normally use Gamakatsu, but can't ever have too many hooks, worm hooks. Next up is Carl's Stash Carolina rig. These are 1/2 ounce weights, so I normally don't have to go that heavy, but it's gonna be fun trying them out. Next is the Randy's Swimming Runner. This looks like it is going to be good. Love the underspin on it. Those blades, especially in cold water, they can slay some fish. Next up, this used to be a personal favorite of mine. At least one model of these. And I lost it, never really got another one, never went back to it. Don't know why. But this is Ghost Threadfin Shad Lucky Craft Pointer. It's like a Pointer 95. These things, I've seen them do work. Like I said, I don't know why I never got another one, but I'm glad I got one now. And next is a 6 cents crankbait. It says Movement 80X. This one dives 1 to 3 foot, 5/8 ounce. Of course, it's got the rattle in it. Looks like a great color. Whenever I finally get the chance to fish, I guess I'll see. Looks like I think it will do really well in the springtime. I am a huge fan of soft plastics. When I opened this, I was like, hell yes. Got the Okeechobee Crawl. And one of my favorite color choices, of course. I use 2 basic colors. One is just anything that looks natural. Any of your pumpkin chartreuse. Love that. Anything natural. And second is black with blue flakes in it. I absolutely love them. Those are the only 2 color combinations of soft plastics I ever catch anything on. So this, I cannot wait. This is actually the one I'm most excited about. These things are huge. I don't know if it says the weight on them or the length. I'm not sure if it says the length on them, but they're pretty big. Carolina rig it, whatever. I'm sure it'll catch some big ones. Next is a Catch Co. See what these are called. Most of them I've never seen, so I have no idea what they actually call them. This is called the Gator Hog, and it's watermelon red color. That's another natural type color that I've never really used watermelon red anything, but it looks pretty natural. Looks like it would work. And last, but I said I was saving the best for last. So we have, of course, the sticker. I don't know, y'all might want to see that. I know y'all can't wait for that. So, and then of course we got our little pamphlets to tell us how to fish. So I'm excited. I don't know if I'm going to do this a lot. The unboxings don't really excite me that much. So I don't know how much I'll do this. And like I said, I'll keep them short and sweet. I'm just going to basically show you what's in the box. Most of you know how to fish a crankbait, a jerkbait, soft plastics. It's nothing out of the ordinary. So keep checking back. Hopefully get to do some fishing soon, because I'm about to die over here. If you want to see more MTB Pro unboxings and more bass fishing and possibly some saltwater fishing coming this summer, hit the subscribe button and just keep an eye out. Later.